Okay, so this question should be easy. Hopefully nobody's watching this video. So it says computers can be subject to hacking. Explain what hacking is and what effect it can have on the data on a computer. Now, hacking is unauthorized access to a computer. So someone may access your computer via another computer. They may have guessed your login or password or found out your login and password. Now, the effect it can have on the data is your data can be copied, your data could be corrupted, and your data could be deleted or destroyed. Okay, so that should be quite clear. We'll look at the mark scheme now, may as well. Any data on a computer system can be corrupted, edited, deleted, or viruses added. Data on a computer can be copied, stolen, or misused. And the data can be accessed or read. So some people, when they actually access a computer, may just read the data, okay? But hacking is unauthorized access to a computer system.